one of nature's most relaxing yet thrilling and beautiful creation in the world is the waterfall. There is something that is just memorizing about watching water flow off a rock and into a raging river. There are thousands and thousands of waterfalls across the world, but I today have the hard task of picking my top 10. So I hope that you will enjoy the natural beauty of waterfalls with this stunning video. From majestic cascades to majestic waterfalls, you'll get a glimpse of some of the most beautiful waterfalls in the world in this video. So take a virtual vacation to faraway places without having to leave your home. Feel the strength of nature and be inspired by its beauty. Explore the wonders of the waterfalls and be awed by their power. So I'm going to take you from Mexico to Iceland, from Asia to Austria. So follow me right now and check out the 10 most beautiful waterfalls across the world. Here we go. Number 1, Salto Waterfalls. Salto Waterfalls is 50 meters wide with a height of 14 meters. The falls are located in the western part of Jämtland, hope I pronounced that right, and is listed as one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Sweden. Number 2, the awesome Niagara Falls. Now, Niagara Falls is a group of 3 waterfalls at the southern end of Niagara, Georgia. It spans the borders between the province of Ontario in Canada and the state of New York in the United States. The largest of the 3 is Horseshoe Falls, which straddles the international border of the 2 countries. Number 3, La Paz Waterfall. La Paz Waterfall is known as one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Costa Rica. It is located in the cloud forest outside of San Jose. The La Paz Waterfall Gardens is actually the most visited privately owned ecological attraction in Costa Rica. Amazing. Number 4, Cameo Waterfalls. Cameo Waterfalls, which is located in Mexico, is beautiful, fascinating, and has clear turquoise water. Cameo Waterfall is the tallest waterfalls in the state of San Luis Potosi. The waterfall is actually the result of 2 rivers, the Gaunas River and the Santa Maria River. They are merged together, and that is what creates the 300-meter waterfall. It is an amazing sight. Number 5, Salto Waterfalls, Indonesia. This is definitely the most breathtaking waterfalls in the country. It's super wonderful, super fascinating, super stunning, super magnificent hidden gem of Indonesia. What more can I say about this awesome waterfall? Number 6, Asia Waterfalls. check out and enjoy this scenic nature of beautiful waterfall and emerald pool of fresh water in this wild jungle forest environment. Number 7, Yellowstone Grand Canyon. Yellowstone Grand Canyon has amazing waterfalls and is the beauty of the earth. What a sight this is. This is a must for your bucket list. Number 8, Iceland. This is an amazing waterfall surrounded by endless grassy meadows and cloudy skies and a moody romantic light. This is a must visit for you romantics out there. Number 9, Didier Waterfalls. Now Didier Waterfalls, Martinique, is an amazing, awesome, beautiful destination. And the best way to get to Didier Waterfalls and Cascades is to go there by car, because it's actually in an isolated area. And that's why we call it the Isolated Paradise. Number 10, the amazing Golden Waterfall near Salzburg in Austria. The thundering Golden Waterfall is one of the most attractive and romantic natural monument in Austria. Golden Waterfalls is one of the highest waterfalls in Austria and one of the most popular sites in the whole country. My top 10 of the most beautifulest waterfalls in the world. I'm not even sure if there's such a word as beautifulest, but anyway, you can correct me in the comment section. And if you believe that I have missed out a waterfall that you think should be in this top 10, just put it in the comment below and let's have a talk about it. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, because we put out videos on this channel every day.